Yeah.
We've been kind of doing more mainstream stuff. So I guess my worry or my concern is I don't want to force anything. I don't want to have to change who I am to kind of get into that mainstream thing. What mainstream are you talking about? Because there's a thin line. It's just everything else but the message is going to change. Like y'all did it, you brought the same.
He's not that good.
She did not just do that face.
With Kiara's voice and our music, there's no limits as to what we can do. We're totally going to blow the doors off the music world. I can remember when we were in this position, we had like Mac record company.
I'm dead.
Everything was coming to the table, but we knew what our foundation was. How mom raised us, the promoter from New York called mom and said, we wanted to go to the store and just do a song. That's a big club, yeah. It's a very well-known club. And so mama said, well, no, I'm not going to bring my girls in.
Do it again, do it again.
You started a church. She was adamant about my girls are not going to the club. You have to make those concessions and tell them, I can't do that. It's many a times, like when we go on our photo shoot, just, pull them down a little bit. It's like, no, we're not doing that. We're going to put a star up here. Now you take the picture. You're at that place now where you got to make the decision. You know, how far are you willing to go? How far are you willing to tread? Because you are the next generation. You have to stay focused. You got to keep your head. And you have to be careful who you allow in your space. You guys are just confirming a lot of stuff that I didn't even tell y'all about. Most like this remind me of my family and my roots. And all of that being a part of who I am. And they will always be a huge part of my life and history. I want my brother on this journey with. It came from us being in mama's closet recording songs to now we're sitting at tables with people that we never thought we would ever sit at. And I'm not stopping until I get there. All right, guys. Today.
Right, but no, you okay too? Cause you just went ham over some pizza, but you never ate pizza before, and I guess this was just like the